guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be doing my wash day routine with Orilifestyle. So we're going to start first by taking out this bun. I'm going to spritz my hair a little bit. So we're going to be using this. We're going to be using Orilifestyle's clarifying and exfoliating shampoo. This is with celeric acid and charcoal, and you're going to see this really dark complexion here. Lovely. So we're just gonna apply that in there, not too much. Hair is a little knotty, but remove. I'm not gonna do any serious detangling yet, so let's section this off.
Motherfucking, where is it? Where the f is it? I swear to God. You like
this one up. Gonna apply this proportionately. So we're gonna come back once this is fully done. We're gonna come back. Now I'm back after I freshly just washed out my hair with the DUDU shampoo. Apply some of this DUDU's leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna put a little bit in our hands. Thinly proportion it out. Oh, this smells really good. So the first time I used this, I didn't use it long enough. I went on vacation, and so I couldn't really feel the true elements of this. Oh, this slides through, man. This is good. Yeah, I like it. So I'm gonna have to re-rate this now, because I used it for the first time and I couldn't really feel the effect of it properly, because I did like a quickly wash and go, but today we're gonna do a treatment today. So we're gonna just put enough all over. Sorry, I'm a bit not brutal with my hair, but I kind of just rake through it because I've trained my hair to always do that. I don't really use combs. I only use combs to just elongate and just add a little bit more volume. But when I'm detangling, I normally just use my fingers. Do not recommend if you don't do this all the time. And you know, lucky for me, my hair absorbs water very nicely, and products. Tie up this side. Time is slightly pressed against me because I'm getting my hair done today as well. Cool. So we're gonna interlude because this is gonna take a while. So we'll come back to that cap right here.
A few moments later.
So you see, with these conditioning caps, do you actually have to warm it up? Yeah. This.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, on the road like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See in the mirror, I duck myself. don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
That's it for the rest of this video. I'm gonna go get my hair done now, so stay tuned and peace out. So I'm gonna be using the KHALILA oil, and this is a superior blend of oils that can be used for the oil and skin. It smells absolutely amazing. I'm gonna apply a little bit into the scalp and then into the cracks and the corners. And don't forget to also put it onto your split ends. Well, I've cut my hair recently, so I don't think I have any. So yeah, I got my hair done, feel fresh, had a full hair care. And so yeah, I had my full hair self-care day with Orilifestyle. Gonna apply this do-rag just to seal it down. And yeah, we're done. Thank you guys for waiting to the end of the video, and like, comment, and subscribe if you guys would like to see future videos by the boy. Peace out. Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And for this video, we're going to do a review on some goodies that I managed to get from Orilifestyle. So if you guys are seeing this now, look forward to this review, and like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see further reviews.